Hey guys, I'm at the ranch, as you can see behind me, and we've been talking about doing our wood stove project here for quite some time. We bought the stove over, I guess, a month and a half ago now, and now today we were able to get the stone and the tile work, so we're actually getting ready we're prepping today to install the stone and the tile work, and then after that we'll have a wood stove. So we want you to come along for the journey. So let's see where we're at. Okay, so here's the wood stove. It's on some furniture movers. Josh is ingenious. That thing is heavy. So it's the Jotul. I love it. It's got the black bear on there. The hot plate. And this is where the stove is going to go. And then the stone will go from floor to ceiling. And it's going to go about 6 feet over to the right. So as you can see, we're preparing. I'm going to bring everything in, and then Monday it's go time. Okay, we got a chunk of carpet removed as we start the process. Okay, I just got done shopping. Josh hasn't even seen this yet. It's looking good. We got to start. And a Durarock wall.
A good shelf, but she came out with a new shelf.
You have seen from, I believe, what, about 2 months ago?
A few months,
yeah. So I think right around Thanksgiving, maybe even before. Anyways, Autumn and I were on a hunt to put some wood heat in our ranch house. So anyways, we've had propane, and we ended up going with we have a forced air system, but we had one of the, all it was a wall heater in the house, and that's all there was. So we went ahead and put ductwork in the basement. Everything's got registers going to all the room, and it also heats the crawl space on the ranch here. However, we've always loved wood heat, and we have plenty of woods here, 133 acres. We decided we might as well try to use the wood that we already have provided for us. And anyways, Autumn likes it because after a long, hard day's work, nothing like the wood heat is like the soul of the home. So anyways, we were trying to find one that would fit our space, and it was tricky because most of them are box style and all that, and then also the way the heat would transfer, keeping away from furniture safely and all that. So what we had found was the Jotul CB118 we thought would fit the bill. However, when it come time to find one, they were all sold out. When we went to one fireplace store, they had one in stock. it was sold, and it was sold at $1,800. Normal retail of like $2,200. That's what we've been told, and that's what we were seeing on the internet. So lo and behold, we are Adventure Rhoades. We hit the road, and we put our search all over to try to find one. And when we finally found one CB118 left, I called and said, hey, we would like this. And he said, oh, that's nice. It's brand new. However, it's gold. Autumn and I are very earth tone type people, and we like traditional. We like rustic, and we wanted a black stone or a stove. So anyways, the Jotul was painted gold color because a customer wanted it a gold color, and they decided to bail out on the deal. Thus, it opened up the offer for us, and we bought it for $1,400, and they ended up painting it black for us. I think it actually ended up being like $1,550 tax, everything out the door. So then it was more than just finding the stove. It was putting the tile in, cement board, fireproof, everything up to code, and we wanted a accent wall for it. And my buddy Ramel Rodriguez, I got his brother. He's Ram's the concrete guy. His brother does concrete, and his brother is like a stone artist. So his brother did the stone wall. It's called Country Ledge, right? Mm-hmm. Country Ledge, and the color is
Country Ledge Stone. Yeah.
Country Ledge Stone, and the color is called Chardonnay. We bought that from, it's called Positive Chimney out of Cadillac. So anyways, he laid that. That is a floating wall with just the cement on the back, so it's stacked stone.
Right, so there's no grout.
So there's no grout. We thought he did a beautiful job on it. We were really happy. If we got to look at it, if the barn needs painting, you paint it. If you got to look at something all the time, you don't have to look nice.
Yeah.
So anyways, then we found this stove, like we said, and they discontinued the Jotels, from what we've been told from a lot of fireplace dealers, back in May of 2020, and we found this a number of months later. One left, and I called all kinds of places, and we were able to find that. So we're pretty grateful to find that. So it's a small space. This is a small cabin, and we are going to do we're going to do about 3 breaking and end burns, because I know the paint's got to cure a little bit. So anyways, yeah, then we found our bear steamer. We thought that would be fitting. We do have black bear here on the property, and it's got the black bear on the sides. It's got the Norwegian prayer on the front. It does have glass, but we know you're not going to really see much other than an orange ball of fire probably, but still pretty cool. At our lake house property that we do a vacation rental with, we have a country wood insert that was in the fireplace, and we really like that. So now it's just a little bit of figuring out a little bit of the seating here in the ranch. We do have carpet in here. We want to replace that with some different pergo or laminate wood type flooring. We think we have something in mind for that. And anyways, I want to give a huge shout out to Jamie for laying this stone. It's absolutely beautiful. It was everything we were hoping for. And our real good friend Josiah, who I'm hoping to do some cedar videos with. This guy is very talented carpenter, and he's like a jack of all trades. And he installed the piping and the stainless steel on the outside, the rest of the chimney. So we're excited about it, and we get to test it out this weekend. It's supposed to be like some below zero type temperatures. I want to try it on a day here, drop the temperature down to about 50 in here, and see how fast it is to warm up, and just kind of see what kind of heat the Jotul cranks out. So thanks a lot for watching, and you'll see this all put together in this video, and the prior video when we purchased it will be one of the videos at the end.
Was that fat wood?
Yeah, that's fat wood. As you can see, fat wood starts fast.
Is the damper open?
Yep.
You can throw that in there now. It's the first fire.
Fire in the house.